is a branch of physics that describes the behavior of matter and light at the atomic and subatomic level. Challenges our everyday understanding of the world. It deals with concepts like wave particle duality, where particles can behave as both waves and particles that you cannot simultaneously know with perfect accuracy both the position and momentum of a particle. Despite its abstract nature, quantum mechanics is the foundation for much of modern technology, including lasers, transistors, and medical imaging devices like MRIs. Thank you for listening to the introduction for quantum mechanics. Until we meet again,